Welcome back to the 2018-19 school year. Thank you for spending a few minutes to review information regarding science instruction and curriculum resources. On the middle school science page, you will find links to the district assessment calendar, professional development calendar, and curriculum materials. On your grade level science page, you will find information about the state standards, district assessments, a lesson bank, and optional SLO goals. All post assessments are required for science. Each post test contains 30 items, 29 multiple choice, and 1 constructed response. Teachers are required to score the constructed response item. A rubric is available in your grade level specific Canvas course page under District Assessment Info, then Scoring rubric. There is a separate scoring rubric for each assessment. Also on the assessment page, you will find the difficult test concepts, link to the district assessment calendar, study guides, the district assessment blueprint, and a link to assessment results. Under Assessment Results, try clicking the Item Analysis Help link. The purpose of this document is to provide more detailed information about each item on district assessments, as well as some tips for instruction. District assessments focus on the application of concepts rather than simple fact or definition recall. School and district level data will be updated quarterly in the Assessments Results link. In 7th grade, there is one required pretest in School City called the SC07-DB Pre-Strand 1 assessment. All 7th grade teachers should plan to give this assessment by August 31st. This assessment is entirely multiple choice, and the data is immediately available in School City. The mid-year assessment is optional and contains the same questions as the pretest. The post-test is required and contains different questions that are of the same rigor. All middle school teachers will need to manually clean out their rosters and gizmos from last semester. Directions for how to clean out your roster are on the Gizmos link under Curriculum Materials Adoption. This process is very simple and should take only about 5 minutes. Directions for how to register students are also available on the Gizmos link if you need a reminder. All content areas and grade levels in science will use the 2004 version of the Arizona State Science Standards during the 2018-19 school year. There will be a team of teachers that will work on creating new curriculum maps and aligning materials to the new standards during the school year. If you are interested in participating in this opportunity, please use the link on the middle school science homepage in Canvas. It is every teacher's responsibility to ensure their students' safety during science activities. Every teacher should use an age-appropriate safety contract with their class. The Flint Scientific Contract is very thorough, and a link to that contract and safety quiz are on the homepage of the middle school science course. Each activity that involves science materials should include a brief safety talk. Now that you've watched this video, I need you to read through the information that's on Canvas, and then you'll need to take the quiz that's linked at the bottom of the page. If you haven't registered yet in my learning plan, you'll need to do that as well. And once you've done both things, then I can assign a half-hour of professional development credit. Thank you, and have a great start to your school year.